brand new toilet and lavatory install that has to be taken out. Toilet's fine. The lavatory has to move from there to there. First things first, I'm gonna plop my big knees down on my knee pad and start cutting the cockpit out. After that, we're gonna take our trusty Knipex and start taking off the supply lines from the stops. Just make sure you've got a bucket and a rag to keep all that water from getting on the floor. Right about here is when I remembered that this wall-hung lavatory is actually on a carrier system. And just like that, kabloom kablam, we're ready to cut some tile out. Now where I'm from, we use Milwaukee M18 tools. And in this case, I've paired it with the grout removal bit. This entire cut could have taken a lot longer, but thanks to the good tools, it only took about 15 minutes. And I won't make you watch me rip all the stuff out, so here you go.